Variety functions. Please connect the camera control cable first. Auto rotation. Enter auto rotation in usage scenario. Select the direction, speed, and number of turns. You can also adjust the rotation speed. Click Exit Selfie Mode to exit. Panoramic shooting. Enter usage scenario. Click Panorama to select the panorama mode. Take the 3x3 panorama mode as an example. Click Auto to shoot automatically. Then click to start shooting. Wait a moment, the shooting is automatically completed. Motion time-lapse. Please enter usage scenario, then click time-lapse. Take the motion lapse as an example. Set the shooting time, frame rates, and interval shooting time in motion lapse menu. After setting the required parameters, you can see the corresponding clip length and the number of photos you need. Then click Next. At this time, operate the 4-way joystick to move the gimbal to the desired starting point for the time-lapse. Click plus in the upper left corner to save the first waypoint of the time-lapse. Operate the joystick to control it to the second waypoint. Then click plus. You can preview first and then click to start shooting. The gimbal will return to the starting position and then start shooting. Now you just need to wait patiently for shooting complete. Thank you for watching.